Sometimes I feel out of disorder. You make me feel that I can breathe underwater. Sometimes I feel out of disorder. You make me feel that I can breathe underwater.
I once spoke of a parable, a tale of the sacred waters and the eternal forces that shape us. Father, keeper of the deep, and Mother, mistress of limits. Imagine, if you will, descending into Father's abyss. The waters envelop you, cold and unyielding, yet alive with an ancient stillness. You feel as if you have slipped beyond the veil of mortality. No breath is needed here. In His embrace, there is no pain, no sound, no end. For a fleeting moment, you believe this is eternity, limitless, untouched. But such comfort is a lie. The vessel of flesh cannot long endure such realms. The lungs, forgotten in their hunger, rise in rebellion. They clamor in silence, their emptiness gnawing like a beast within your chest. Soon, the heart joins in the revolt, pounding against your ribs like the drums of war. Its beat grows louder, more desperate, until the world itself becomes nothing but its echo. And then she calls, Mother, shadow and unyielding, her voice rising from the dark corners of your soul. She is no gentle guide, her voice is a command, her will a weight that presses down upon you. Return, she demands, her tone sharp as the scythe of death. You are not meant for the depths. Rise, or you shall perish in the Father's embrace. Her call is not mercy, but necessity. She is the harbinger of your limits, the cruel reminder that you are bound to the fragile thread of breath. She tightens her grip as the heart's thunder grows deafening, as the lungs glow for relief. Father's peace becomes suffocating, a false eternity turning to terror.
Sometimes I feel out of disorder. You make me feel that I can breathe underwater. Sometimes I feel out of disorder. You make me feel that I can breathe underwater.
Driven by their cries and mother's dominion, you rise. The surface is a glimmering promise, distant yet undeniable. Father's hold falters, his silent depths retreating as you ascend. Then at last you break through. But even here, in the realm of breath and light, Father and Mother remain, for they are never apart. In the farthest reaches of existence, their presence is intertwined, a divine unity. Father's depths, infinite and consuming, always cradle Mother's boundaries, and her unyielding limits, sharp and finite, always give form to His vastness. Where one is, so too is the other, inescapable and eternal. Even in the highest heavens or the deepest abysses, their bond cannot be broken. The waters of Father hold the whispers of Mother, and the air of Mother carries the chill of Father's abyss. They are the shadow and the light, the expanse and the edge, forever entwined in their sacred dance. The air rushes in, a sweet violent triumph that stings your throat and floods your senses. Mother grants her gift, though not without a reminder of her power. Each breath is fleeting, its life borrowed. And yet, as you gasp and tremble, a third presence reveals itself. an unseen benefactor in this cruel balance. It is Yira, Yira, the profound reverence that bridges terror and wonder.
You lift your spirit high. The road is full of roses. You smell of the divine, but they sold you just a story full of lies and destruction.
Yira, the trembling awareness of the infinite and the finite, and the sacred tension between them. It is in Yira that the terror of drowning transforms into the awe of breath, where the clash of eternal and mortal becomes something holy. And so, we live in the shadow of this bond, held by father's depths, drawn by mother's heights, and carried by the ineffable power of Yira. We are but mortals, yet we walk among gods.
Points his hands up high. You follow it so blindly. He promised you the sky, and you believe the journey. You lift your spirit high. The road is full of roses. You smell of the divine, but he sold you just a story full of lies and deceptions.
Blessed are you, Hashem, creator of the depths and the heights, the one who divides the waters from the waters, who set the firmament above and the seas below. You teach us, through your works, the limits of our strength and the boundless depths of your design. May we honor your sacred balance, walking in Yira, mindful of the breath you grant and the boundaries you set. Blessed are you, sovereign of the universe, who breathes life into all creation. Beloved seekers, may we walk together in Yirath, restoring the bridge between the infinite and the finite. Join Yira Hari on this sacred journey. Sign into the restoration of the bridge here on YouTube. Enter the community of seekers that found the answers, and let us honor the eternal balance and wisdom that guides us all to find truth and to see the endless light, even in this finite shape we are in.